mess. But we got it out. I like doing it, but I always make a mess of it. Yeah. That's... Oh. Okay, then take this one off. Yes, and let's see, unscrew it. 14, 17, up. Okay. Oops. These are off. Yes. And then that wonderful rod, Stuart. Okay. Take this one out. Opa. Okay, then okay, hop, hop, hop. We're gonna change it for the smaller one. Oh, this one out of the way. See what does it look good, guys? Take that. This one, small screwdriver. Yes. This one out of the way. And then hopefully this one comes easier. I'm gonna warm it up to be sure. Okay, then move it. Also, already notice it, stubborn one. Clean this a bit. Aluminium starts a bit to corrode, and okay, penetrating oil. Now, guys, this is the left front fork and I have a huge problem with it. In my lifetime I did hundreds of front forks and never had a problem with them taking them apart, except for this one. Normally you pry that cap off, you got that spring in here, pry it out, and then loosen the bottom side so the inner stuff is loose, and all you have to do is plop it a few times, plop, 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 and then that oil seal comes out and you can renew it, except for this one. Holy shit, guys, I plopped it a few times, bang, bang, bang. No, nothing happened, so bang, bang, bang. Nothing happened. I warmed it up a bit. So sometimes you have to do that, no problem. Well, then I start banging again. Nothing happened. Absolute nothing. So then I was banging harder, harder, more, and the seal, it didn't come, not even a hair. And then at one moment I banged, yeah, really hard, but how hard can you go? That's, you have just this way of going, and then suddenly it was stuck, and now it's really stuck. So I thought, holy shit, what now? So I warmed it up some more to get it going again. I thought maybe something's wrong with the oil seal, so try and how get it out. So I grabbed my Dremel tool, I put it over here into it, and I weakened the oil seal. There is an iron piece in the middle of it, and I weakened it on two sides, carefully in between both legs. That's very difficult, but I managed. And then I pried the seal out, as you can see, and I thought maybe this is the culprit. So got it out. I felt it's still stuck. So I tried with a long iron bar inside, tap it carefully, so maybe it comes loose. No, I can't, there is no way of rotating it. I have a slightly idea what happened. Inside of this bottom side there are 3 sliding bushings to make the inner tube and the outer tube slide easily. They are covered with Teflon and they have a tiny slit. What I think what happened, because this bike had run 122,000 kilometers, I think they are worn excessively, so they become very thin, and I think one bushing slides into the other and it created a wedge. But I tried everything, so I already bought a new one. It's still on its way. Bottom side and the tube, and of course the sliding bushings. Let's see if there is a way to loosen it. I have no idea. I think I need to have brute force. I don't like brute force, but there is no other way. I have no way how to loosen it. Try heat, penetrating oil. Nothing worked. It's stuck. And it's not stuck at the bottom side, it's somewhere in the middle, somewhere here. So, guys, what I can do is take my angle grinder and grind a slit in here, as it's fucked up anyway, and I already ordered a new one, so maybe take a piece out of it. I think it's nice. I never done that. So, well, have fun. Come on, let's go.